The multi-robot WAAM cell consists of a 6 degrees of freedom industrial robot, the COROB GA50, which is responsible for gripping the WAAM torch and executing the WAAM process. A thermal camera and an optical camera are mounted on the robot for monitoring the process and generating insights on the process outcome. A 2 degrees of freedom rotary table with 250 kilograms of payload has been selected to position the workpiece to be repaired. A UR10 collaborative robot has been selected for the auxiliary manufacturing operations, where human oversight and decision-making are still necessary. These include 3D scanning, coordinate referencing devices, and a preheating system that will be supplied by external SMEs through the COROB Open Call program. The cobot is positioned on a movable base so as not to interfere with the operation of the COROB robot. The wire arc additive manufacturing process operation starts. The COROB robot manipulates the WAAM torch across the workpiece. The WAAM unit is commanded to feed metal wire through a nozzle while simultaneously generating an electric arc between the wire and the substrate. As the wire melts due to the intense heat of the arc, layers are deposited onto the substrate, gradually building up three-dimensional geometrical features. In parallel, constant monitoring of the process and quality assessment of the repaired area is performed. The thermal camera allows the assessment of features related to the heat input of the process, while the optical camera allows the generation of optical features that can be better utilized to assess geometrical information. Additional sensors to monitor the process will be installed later on through the external solutions, funded by the COROB Open Call program. As soon as the process is finished, the operator proceeds with 3D scanning the processed workpiece. To do so, in this final step, the operator uses the UR10 collaborative robot. The goal is to verify whether the required geometrical tolerances have been achieved before verifying that the workpiece can proceed to the post-processing phase, such as turning, milling, or grinding. The 3D scanner, mounted on the cobot, operates with its own vendor-specific software. It generates point cloud data, which are subsequently processed in another software tools for quality assessment.